Hi there, Chris here. Okay, I have this Hurd, and it looks like a little cabinet lock. It's a wafer lock, and there's the pitting. So we're gonna take the snowman, or the half snowman from Multi-Pick in the pick knife, and see if this snowman can beat this Hurd. So we're going to use the little tension wrench up top somewhere. There we go, I think. And here we go. It's a bit of a trick holding it, but we're in. All right, the snowman wins again, this time the Multi-Pick snowman. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Merry Christmas to you all, and we'll see you next time.